What if luxury wasn't loud? For years, luxury interiors were all about bold statements, dramatic contrasts, and pieces designed to impress instantly. The more eye-catching, the better. But today, a new kind of sophistication is redefining what it means to live beautifully. It's called quiet luxury. Quiet luxury is about understated elegance, refined simplicity, and quality that speaks for itself without demanding attention. It doesn't rely on trends or flashy decor. Instead, it focuses on timeless materials, soft color palettes, and intentional design choices that create a calm, elevated atmosphere. It's not about showing off, it's about feeling at ease in your own space. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 essential design elements behind quiet luxury and how you can use them to elevate your space instantly. Let's begin. If there is one defining feature of quiet luxury, it's the color palette. This aesthetic relies on soft neutrals, off-whites, warm beiges, gentle taupes, and earthy tones. Instead of strong contrasts or dramatic color statements, the goal is harmony and cohesion. Why? Because bold colors stimulate the eye. Soft colors calm the mind. A neutral palette creates a seamless background that allows materials and textures to shine. It also makes a room feel more spacious, refined, and intentional. Think in layers of similar tones. Cream walls paired with slightly deeper beige upholstery, light oak wood combined with soft linen textiles, warm stone surfaces against muted paint colors. The effect is subtle but powerful. If you want to apply this immediately, start with your walls. Choose a warm neutral instead of a stark white. Then keep your furniture and decor within the same tonal family. When color stops shouting, your space begins to breathe. Quiet luxury is deeply rooted in authenticity. Natural materials like linen, wood, and stone are central to this style. These materials don't just look refined, they age beautifully and reinforce the idea of durability and long-term value. Linen curtains, solid wood tables, natural stone countertops, wool or cotton textiles. These elements bring texture and depth without adding visual noise. The focus is not on quantity, it's on quality. Instead of synthetic finishes that imitate luxury, quiet luxury embraces real, tactile materials that feel substantial and timeless. Even small upgrades can make a difference. Replace polyester cushions with linen covers. Swap out plastic accessories for ceramic or stone pieces. Introduce a wooden tray or a sculptural object made of natural material. These subtle changes instantly elevate a room. Because in quiet luxury, texture replaces ornamentation. And if you're enjoying these ideas so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I share weekly insights to help you design a home that feels intentional, elevated, and truly yours. Now, let's continue. Quiet luxury is not about filling a room with decor. It's about choosing fewer, better pieces. This approach prioritizes durable, well-crafted furniture that stands the test of time. Instead of chasing trends, it embraces classic design and long-term thinking. Imagine a well-structured sofa in a neutral fabric, a solid wood dining table with clean lines, an armchair that feels elegant without being ornate. These pieces don't depend on trends to feel relevant. They work because they are balanced, simple, and thoughtfully designed. Timeless furniture often features clean silhouettes, subtle detailing, neutral upholstery, and high-quality craftsmanship. When you invest in enduring design, your home doesn't require constant updates. And that sense of permanence, that stability, it feels luxurious. Luxury does not need to sparkle to feel sophisticated. In quiet luxury interiors, the beauty lies in subtle finishes and refined detailing. Instead of high-gloss surfaces and excessive decoration, the focus is on softness and restraint. Think brushed metal instead of polished chrome, matte surfaces instead of high shine, minimal hardware instead of ornate handles. These choices may seem small, but together they create an atmosphere of calm elegance. Quiet luxury avoids excess. It values precision and balance. Even architectural elements follow this principle. Simple moldings, clean lines, minimalist lighting fixtures. Nothing competes for attention. Everything feels aligned. The result is a space that feels curated, not crowded. Finally, quiet luxury is about how a space feels. Beyond colors and materials, it's about intentional curation. Every object should have purpose. Clutter disrupts the serenity that defines the style. Instead of displaying many decorative items, choose a few meaningful pieces: a sculptural lamp, a ceramic vase, a carefully stacked set of books. Spacing matters. Negative space matters. Quiet luxury understands that empty space is not wasted space, it's breathing room. When everything in a room feels deliberate, the space feels elevated, balanced, composed, calm, and that emotional response is the true essence of quiet luxury. Quiet luxury isn't about spending more. It's about choosing better by focusing on a soft, neutral palette, high-quality natural materials, timeless investment pieces, subtle finishes, and refined details, and a calm, curated atmosphere. You create a home that feels sophisticated without ever trying too hard. Quiet luxury doesn't chase attention, it creates presence. And the best part? You don't have to transform your entire home overnight. Start small. Upgrade one material, refine one corner, simplify one surface. Over time, those intentional decisions reshape your space and how you feel inside it. As we close, let's look at some inspiring examples of quiet luxury in action. If this inspired you, subscribe for more design insights, and let me know in the comments which of these 5 elements you're going to apply first. Because true luxury isn't loud, it's intentional. And now you know the secret.